Welcome back to Enhanced Performance TV. I'm Adam, and today I want to talk to you about these carbon look steering wheel trims for the MK8 Fiesta. So we've all seen these around. They've been around for quite some time now. All I'm going to do is show you them and do a little bit of an install video. I'll be honest with you, it's the easiest thing to install, but it's all about the content. So yeah, it's literally a steering wheel add-on. It goes around the black trim on your steering wheel and it just gives it that little bit of a carbon fibre look. On your dashboard, you'll see that you've got that fake carbon. On the facelift and newer models, it's a matte carbon, but on the pre-facelift, it's gloss carbon. And what these are designed to do is just go onto the black part of your steering wheel just to make everything flow and look apart. So in the kit, you get the top section, which goes around the top of the airbag and the buttons. You get the bottom section, which covers the ST logo, but it does still feature the ST logo within. You get an alcohol wipe. That's for your steering wheel, not your bum. And you also get a link card to our YouTube channel. So if you've not already found this video, give that code a scan and it'll bring you to it. I don't know why I'm telling you that in this video, because technically you'd already be in the video watching. Yeah, that's what that's for. So yeah, it's really simple. They come with 3M tape on the rear, and it's a simple case of using this wipe, cleaning the area, making sure that it's dry, preferably warm, not ice cold, because the sticky doesn't adhere. And then you're going to remove the red part and stick it in place. Now these are a little bit flexible, which gives you a little bit of manoeuvrability when you fit in, but generally they are really easy. So should we go ahead and get it done? I think so. Come on, let's go. But as you can see, this, let me see if I can get the right angle. This section here and this section here is what gets covered. Now on your dashboard, obviously ours being the facelift, this is a matte carbon, but on your pre-facelift it's a gloss carbon. And then obviously you've got it all through there where the push button is. So this carbon cover is designed just to go straight over these and obviously give you that carbon look. So let's go ahead and get it on. So I'm going to try my hardest to show you. Obviously the angle's really bad, but obviously you're going to take your box, and the first thing that we're going to do is take the wet wipe. Okay, so with your wet wipe, just make sure that you clean any excess dust and dirt off of this. Okay, and like I say, this is the simplest video ever. A lot of you probably won't even watch the video because you'll think, why do I need a video telling me how to stick things on? But you know, there's some people that just like a bit of reassurance. So if you are watching, thank you very much. So come all around here, because it does stick absolutely everywhere. All around the sides. Don't forget to do down here as well, because obviously you've got this section. Oh, I'm losing my little white ST logo, what a shame. So I'm just going to come all up around here. And again, just make sure that you get all your dust off, or if you've got sticky fingers and you leave sticky marks everywhere, then make sure you get them off as well. Next thing I'm going to do is just use a little bit of tissue roll, which isn't supplied, and just give it a dry off. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that there's no dust and that also there's no moisture. So the wet wipe should self-evaporate because it is an IPA solution. And now's the fun part of peeling all these off. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to fast forward this section so that you don't have to sit and watch me peeling all this palaver off here. Right then, if you're still with me, thank you. So you've now peeled all your red stuff off, you're clean, you're good to go. Just make sure that you line it up. What I would say, don't push it fully on until you're happy with where it's sitting. And then once you are, give it a good push. Just make sure that it's stuck. Now, hold it down for about 30 seconds if you can. Just make sure that it gets a good bond. And like I was explaining to you earlier, I don't know if you listened, but try and make sure that this steering wheel isn't ice cold. So don't come out first thing on a Sunday morning when the car's been stood all night and try and do it then, because sticky tape don't like cold surfaces. So that one's done. We're now going to do the top one. So again, I'll fast forward this so you don't have to sit and watch me struggling to peel tape off. Right, that's all off. I tell you what, that was some bloody effort. If you haven't got fingernails, God help you, because that were a bloody pain in the backside. So yeah, we're all off. Same scenario again, we're just going to line it up. Now what I do when I fit these, and you know, some people are different, I line up one side first. And the reason why I do that is because you've got a little bit of flex. So I line up the side but don't fully push it in. Come to your other side, line that up. Right, just make sure that you don't cover your buttons, because obviously you still want use of your buttons. Right, once you're happy that it's where it needs to be, which obviously this is all on you now. I can't train you for that, that's all on you. Push it down. Give it a good solid push. Make sure that everything's where it needs to be. Make sure that everything's tight and stuck down. Make sure your arm still works, because you don't want to have obstructed that. And there you go. It is literally as simple as that. Clean it, peel the tape, stick it on. All the buttons still work. Very good. I'll show you a close-up now. And there you have it. So as you can see, it's all on. Covers everything. And yeah, it's on. Now, if you're picky, like me, you might be noticing this here. It's just a little bit of excess tape that's sponged over. I'm probably going to get in there with a little pair of tweezers or something and just push it back there just so it can't be seen. You can just see there, look, it's just a little bit of double-sided tape that's swelled. Other than that, it's come out really well. They're a really, really simple thing to do. They're really cheap. They're not overly expensive. You can also buy a sticker that goes in there to make your ST logo stand out more, which I'm going to have to get another white one, I think. But yeah, hit us up, guys. We've got loads in stock. Get your send some ordered. They're available on next working day delivery. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I can't see what's not to like though. It's literally a video of sticking things on. It's like child's play. But thank you very much for watching once again. Thank you very much for staying in touch with the channel. I'm sorry that I haven't posted in such a long time. We have got lots and lots of content planned. It's literally just been finding time. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. If you liked it, click the bell, give us a subscribe. Every single subscriber helps us out, and it helps us continue doing what we're doing. And any suggestions, drop it in the comment box. Have a good one, guys. See you soon.